Stop scrolling, beauties. Ever wonder why the things you think are normal about yourself make him completely obsessed? Today we're breaking down all those little habits, gestures, and quirks that drive him wild without you even trying. I put in serious effort for this one to make it relatable, spicy, and totally accurate for my people. By the end, you'll see why your natural energy, soft actions, and playful personality make him addicted, and how you can use it to leave a lasting impression effortlessly. 1. Your soft laugh at random moments. Even a small, unplanned laugh can make him freeze. For example, if you giggle at something silly he says, or even something random in your environment, he notices it immediately. That natural, unpolished laugh feels genuine, cute, and completely magnetic. He stares because it's soft, playful, and unintentional. Exactly what makes it so addictive. That tiny moment lingers in his mind, and he starts replaying it over and over. Your laugh becomes a late-night thought he can't shake, making him crave more moments like that. Even when you forget it happened, he's still thinking about it. It's effortless yet powerful, and it keeps him obsessed without him realizing why. 2. The way you text with subtle playfulness. Your texts aren't just words, they're tiny sparks. For example, a simple "I was thinking about that funny thing you said," or "can't wait to see you," leaves him imagining your tone and energy. That subtle playfulness is irresistible. He notices the teasing, light energy you sprinkle in your texts. It's soft, cute, and flirty without being overbearing. That perfect balance makes him overthink and mentally replay your conversation multiple times. He starts looking forward to every single message, wondering what you'll say next. Even small, normal texts can hijack his thoughts and make him addicted to your energy. 3. Your little, innocent quirks. You might think your habits are normal, but they drive him crazy. For example, biting your lip while concentrating, twirling your hair absent-mindedly, or humming softly to yourself captures his attention instantly. These small gestures show personality, confidence, and playful energy. He stares because it's natural and soft, yet magnetic. Those quirks make him feel drawn to you in ways he can't explain. Even when you don't intend to impress him, he can't stop noticing. Those tiny, normal behaviors become unforgettable. They create a subconscious loop in his mind that keeps him coming back for more. Number 4, the way you notice the small things. You may think it's nothing, but when you remember small details about him, his favorite snack, his weird hobby, or the song he mentioned once, he notices. For example, casually bringing up, "I remembered you said this is your favorite," melts him instantly. He stares because your attention feels exclusive and thoughtful. That little gesture makes him feel understood and appreciated. Even when you think it's normal behavior, it's actually a powerful move that keeps him mentally replaying you. Those tiny acts of attentiveness create a magnetic pull he can't resist. It's cute, soft, and utterly addictive. 5. Your innocent yet subtle flirting. You might think it's casual, but when you drop tiny flirty gestures like a soft smile while looking away, a playful nudge, or teasing comments, it drives him wild. For example, leaning slightly closer during a conversation or whispering something playful catches him off guard. He notices these moments because they're soft, unexpected, and entirely you. That mix of innocence and playfulness makes him want more, replaying every moment in his head. Even your casual energy becomes a memory he can't forget. He finds himself addicted to your vibe without realizing it. Those little, normal, flirty habits are exactly what make him obsessed. 6. Your calm confidence that speaks volumes. You think walking into a room calmly is normal, but he notices. For example, the way you handle a situation effortlessly, smile softly at him, or casually take control in a group makes him stare. That quiet confidence is magnetic. He's drawn to how approachable yet unattainable you feel. Your soft, poised energy makes him replay moments in his head, wishing he could experience more of it. Even when you're just being yourself, it leaves an impression that lasts. Your calm yet confident demeanor is addictive. It's those little normal things that actually make him obsessed. 7. Your playful energy in ordinary moments. Even when nothing special is happening, your energy makes him notice. For example, joking around while waiting in line, dancing slightly to a song in the background, or adding cute comments in a casual chat makes him pause. He stares because your playful energy turns boring moments into memories he can't forget. It's subtle, fun, and cute, the perfect mix to keep him mentally addicted. That soft, spontaneous charm keeps him thinking about you long after you've gone. He craves your energy without knowing why. Those normal, playful habits make him obsessed in the sweetest way. Outco? So now you know? The little things you think are normal, soft, or playful are actually the exact things that make him addicted to you. Your energy, attention to detail, and subtle charm keep him thinking about you nonstop. If you loved this, hit like, share, and subscribe. Comment below which normal habit you already do or plan to try. Let's see who's secretly driving their crush crazy tonight.